Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your credit card not working on your Xbox Series X. So probably maybe you wanted to purchase something and then you found out that your credit card is not working. So there's three ways you can fix this issue. So the first one is try and purchase that particular thing or that particular game using the checkout method. So let's say for instance, if you want to purchase this particular game, so select it and then choose the version you prefer. So let's say this one. And then instead of selecting buy, just go and select more and then choose add to cart. And then now you can go and select view cart. And then now select checkout and then type in your PIN if you have one. And then from here, try and buy using this method. So this might help. If that doesn't work, another method you can do is by changing the location on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is just go to settings and then select system and then choose language and location. And then scroll down and find the location. So let's say for instance, if you're in a country that is not supported by your Xbox, you can just come here and choose any other country that you prefer. And then select restart now so that you can apply those changes. The other method is either by ensuring that you have typed in the correct details whenever you added your payment method or your credit card. So go to settings and then go to account and then choose payment and billing. Type in your PIN if you have one. Select payment options. And then from here, you can select the card that is currently available. And then from here, ensure that all the credit card details are okay. And then at CVV, ensure that you type in the right CVV code. So do that and then try and purchase. And if it doesn't work, all you can do is just delete that payment information and then add another new payment information. And then ensure that all the details that are currently needed are typed in correctly and they correspond with your particular card. So those are the three ways that you can fix this particular issue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below.